The National Weather Service has issued a tornado watch effective until October 7th, 2023 at 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This includes the following counties: Boone, New York; Kennewick, New York; and Delaware, New York. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or the internet for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for the following counties: Boone, New York; Kennewick, New York; and Delaware, New York. At 1:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Delaware County. Locations impacted are Boone, New York; Kennewick, New York; and Delaware, New York counties. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows if in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors. Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This message was transmitted by the request of the Boone, New York County Police. At approximately 1 p.m., the Boone, New York 911 telephone service is reported to be down because of the tornado earlier today. This outage will affect all residents of Boone, New York County. Residents will not be able to call 911 for emergency services on their landlines. To report an emergency, call 069-420-2763.
Hey, Pin, don't throw a piece of cake at me, or a coffee machine, or a rocket ship.
The National Weather Service issued a tropical storm warning for the following counties: all of New York State. Winds may reach up to 73 miles per hour during this tropical storm. This could result in damage to homes, businesses, and other buildings. Evacuate or take cover now. The tropical storm will start within the next 48 hours. Evacuate or take cover now. If you wish to evacuate, move to one of the following states away from New York: Pennsylvania or Massachusetts. If you wish to take shelter, go into either a basement or the lowest floor in a sturdy building.
Even in strife.
There's only 4 of us left. If we keep this up, we'll all disappear, and then the death will occur anyway. And we won't be here to stop it either!
But it's the pact.
Well, I hate the pact!
The National Weather Service issued a hurricane warning for the following counties: all of New York State. The tropical storm warning has been upgraded to a hurricane warning. This is a Category 1 hurricane. Winds will be at least 74 miles per hour during this hurricane. This could result in damage to homes, businesses, and other buildings. Evacuate or take cover now. The hurricane will start within the next 46 hours. Evacuate or take cover now. If you wish to evacuate, move to one of the following states away from New York: Pennsylvania or Massachusetts. If you wish to take shelter, go into either a basement or the lowest floor in a sturdy building. This message was transmitted by the request of the National Weather Service. The Category 1 hurricane from New York State has now extended to the state of Massachusetts and parts of Pennsylvania. If you are seeing this message, move to another state now. Hotel and vacation home managers in Pennsylvania and Massachusetts have been notified and will give you refunds for your next hotel or vacation home. The hurricane has also become a Category 2 hurricane. Winds will be even faster than before. It will start in 42 hours. This is a national emergency message. The national emergency is now ongoing. A message from the United States government will be played over the emergency alert system. Normal broadcasting has been discontinued. Stand by for this message. The following message was transmitted by the request of the United States government. This is not a test. This is a national emergency message. All stations will cease normal broadcasting to concentrate on this national alert. The emergency alert system has been activated to keep you informed. This is not a test. To repeat, this is not a test. The hurricane that started in New York has now expanded to all 48 continental states, except one. That one being Washington, D.C. Everyone, evacuate to Washington, D.C. immediately. A message from the United States President will play now.
My fellow Americans, I never would have thought that something like this would become a reality. But unfortunately, it has come upon us. I urge everyone in the continental United States to evacuate to our home state, Washington, D.C. immediately. Any members of Alaska and Hawaii can ignore the alert.
The following message was transmitted by the request of the United States government. All clear. I repeat, all clear.